Hey, beautiful soul. If your mind is busy and your body feels like it hasn't landed all day, this is where you arrive. Make sure you're not interrupted for the next few minutes. Sit or lie down. Find a sweet spot you can sustain for a couple of moments. When you're ready, close your eyes. Notice where your body meets the surface beneath you. Feel the weight of your body being held. Nothing to fix, nothing to change. Bring your attention to your jaw. Let it soften. Drop your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Now your shoulders. Let them fall away from your ears. Feel your hands, your belly, your legs. Take a slow breath in through your nose. Open mouth, exhale. Again, inhale and exhale. Now let your body return to normal. And notice it. The inhale arrives. The exhales leaves. Notice the pauses in between. If your mind drifts, it's okay. Then gently bring it back to the feeling of your body being supported. You are here. Not in the next thing. Not in the last thing. Here. Notice the places your body are touching the solid surface. Start from the bottom up. Feet, legs, hips. Your upper body, your spine, ribs, shoulders, just notice there's nothing to fix. Soften your shoulders. Bring your attention to your arms, upper arms, elbows, wrists, hands. All 10 fingers. Picture your head, the back of your head, your face. Soften your jawline, your lips, the space between your eyebrows. The corner of your eyes. Now picture your entire body in space. When your mind wonder comes back to the breath, take one more slow breath in. Long exhale out. Beautiful soul, you are welcome to stay here longer. When you're ready to transition, explore a few movements in your fingers and toes. Roll into your favorite side. Plant a seed of gratitude. Before you open your eyes, notice one place in your body that feels even slightly softer. If you choose, journal for a moment what has shifted and what remained the same. That's enough. Thank you for taking the time for self-care. Your nervous system thanks you. With gratitude, namaste.